The impact of coronavirus in the economy has been felt globally. Here's a look at what has become expensive and what has become cheaper due to coronavirus. Items that have become expensive. First one is gold. Gold has been the biggest gainer since the outbreak of coronavirus. India Central Bank has 633.1 tons of gold as holdings, which is 6.8% of the share held in gold in total foreign reserves. India ranks as the 10th largest gold reserve holder in the world. Its retail price of pure gold in Delhi has appreciated by over 12% since January 1st. A further up move to 50,000 rupees per 10 grams of gold could also be possible. Masks and sanitizers. Demand for masks and sanitizers that provide the first level of defense against COVID-19 have shot up. A basic surgical mask that is priced at 10 rupees each is being sold for 40 rupees are being sold at up to 500 rupees. Demand for sanitizers has also shot up. The item is out of stock at some pharmacies. On Flipkart, one of the seller listed a 30 ml bottle of sanitizer for 999 rupees, which is generally sold for close to 35 rupees. Medicines. The prices of some medicine have increased post the coronavirus outbreak. Prices of paracetamol, that is commonly used as an analgesic, have gone up by 40%. As per a CRISIL report, India imports 69% of its total pharma bulk drugs intermediates from China. The price of penicillin G, a key raw material used in antibiotics, has also soared by 58%. Phones. Xiaomi has increased the price of its popular phone Note 8. The price of the 8GB plus 64GB variant of the Xiaomi Note 8 has been hiked by 500 rupees. The phone will now be available at 10,499 rupees instead of the earlier price of 9,999 rupees. Xiaomi has also cancelled all on-ground launch events planned in the month of March 2020. Items that have turned cheaper. 1. Petrol/diesel. Global oil prices have been on a downward trend since the coronavirus outbreak. Industry demand in China, world's largest importer of oil, has been low. The low price trend has been aggrandized with Saudi Arabia's price war against Russia. The price of crude oil dropped to $31.02 on March 9th. Petrol prices have declined 4 rupees and 55 paise per liter and diesel 4 rupees and 70 paise per liter in Delhi since January 1st. Airfares. Airfares have been reduced by aviation companies due to a 30% drop in bookings to virus-affected destinations. Southeast Asia and Italy being one of the most preferred destinations for Indians, we can anticipate a drop of about 20 to 25% in terms of future bookings, though it is too early to predict any drastic impact. They are wary of making fresh bookings to the affected locations, and airfares to these destinations have dropped by 20 to 30%. Meat/seafood. The demand for non-vegetarian items such as meat and seafood has also tanked amid the coronavirus scare. FSI has said that the virus doesn't spread. The impact of coronavirus. Chicken has fallen to 150 rupees per kilogram from Rs 180-200. Tea. Following the COVID-19 outbreak, Iran and China has stopped importing tea. As a result, prices of tea have plunged by 40% to Rs 121.30 from 200 rupees a year before, as per a report published in the Economic Times. Additionally, last year's unsold stock of over 50 million kilograms has been carried forward to the present year, adding to the woes of the tea industry. And then stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching.